To make an international transfer with Monzo. First, after log into your Monzo account, from bottom, select Transfer, then choose Pay option. Tap on Pay by Bank Transfer, and check mark this, and continue payment. Choose International Transfer from top. Continue. Tap Sign into TransferWise, then log into your TransferWise account. After that, select Payee. Choose the currency of the destination country. Enter the amount. Tap I understand. Continue. View currency conversion rates and charges. Continue. Choose recipient type, account type, mention account details, destination country, recipient's address. Continue. Review details, and confirm transfer by entering your PIN.